Hello guys, it's Cham again here at another place with you guys to explore. Today we're in a place in between Harrowfield and Watford, and this is what the place is called: Bentley Priory Nature Reserve Nature Trail. It's got two natures on the name, that's funny. But yeah, let me show you exactly where we are, because if you're driving you're most likely to miss the entrance. So that is the Harrowfield side, and that is the Watford side, and this is the entrance, so it's kind of hidden, so don't miss it. And of course keep the gate closed. But yeah, if you're coming by car, it's gonna be kind of hard for you to park somewhere nearby, but I'm sure you're gonna find a spot somewhere. For those of you who haven't seen my first video, check it out. The link is in the description down below. So yeah, stick around guys. We're gonna go around this park, and there's a little lake in the middle. We're gonna go check that out too. And I heard there's a deer park also, so we're gonna see what that's about as well. So yeah, we have a little pond here. Not that interesting, but you know, that's the start of it. As you walk down the path, this is where you're gonna get. A lot of people are out there, dogs playing, so yes, it's nice. Wow, looks big, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I guess there's so many ways you can take to the lake in the middle. Some nice benches there, you can take a rest there if you've been walking.
Oh my god, is it like a wooden bench?
Oh wow, I thought it's just a big log just sitting there. It is a bench, isn't it?
It's a bench.
Yeah, it's all
Kind of destroyed,
yeah.
but still nice. Only on one side.
Well, I guess it used to be in good condition. Oh wow.
Memory of Peter Bolger.
Yeah. As you can see, the ground is so wet and there's puddles around. So if you're coming here when it's wet like us, you gotta come prepared. And we're gonna head this way because the lake is supposed to be somewhere there. So yeah, we're gonna see if you find any entrance to the lake. Hopefully it doesn't start raining, because the sky is not actually looking very good. So just about luck, I guess. So you come down the hill this way, then you're gonna get here, across this bit here. It's another little stream going to the lake. We're gonna head this way because I can see the little entrance there. Right there. Come on, you're taking your time. Good thing we didn't bring the bikes. Decided to lock it there. If we did bring them, ooh, that is gonna be trouble. Wow. There we are. The entrance is very narrow.
Footprints of other people walking.
Huh?
You can see
all the footprints, yeah,
of other people walking. So hopefully they came prepared.
Right. All right, starting to see the lake now. Kids are gonna love this. There's so much mud. They're gonna be jumping around. Yeah, let me show you the actual thing we're here for. There we are. So there's a path going all around the lake, and we're gonna go through that path to see what we find. So we're gonna start from the left, and then we'll go around. As you can see on Google Maps, that's the lake, and there's a deer park right there. So we're gonna go around the lake about here, and then we're gonna see if we can cross. So yeah, let's continue the walk, see what we find. So as you're going around the lake, you're gonna get here. Found a nice spot to take a little break. This beautiful tree. And there you find someone just chilling on the branch, enjoying the view, huh? It's amazing.
It's lovely.
Yeah, in the summer it would be nice if you can come here and do a little barbecue. Yeah, but the problem is you can't do barbecues or fires in nature reserves and that, so yeah, is what it is. So here we are. We were just there. Now we're heading towards the deer park that we were talking about. Hopefully we see some deers. Wow, another narrow. Whoa. Little entrance. This part seems drier, so take that path. So as you can see, this is full of trees. Beautiful. And here we are to another open land. According to maps, we're supposed to be heading this way. So I'm gonna keep going to see some deers. We're gonna take this path here. Looks like people have been walking this way. Oh wow, there I see 3 deers. Gonna go check them out. Hey, Kiki. There's 3 deers. 3. Come quick, don't make noise. Come here. So just over there, I can see 3 deers. Wow, I love this place. There's so much trees, so much nature in here. Amazing. Wow. It's not 3, it's more than 3. Oh my god. There's hundreds of them. Wow. Yeah.
Oh my god, they're
They're
so
feeding
cute.
some grass.
It's so cute. They're so little.
Amazing. Hey, get some grass.
Want some apple? Nice.
Wow. Look at that. There's so many, man.
Look.
Hello, beautiful. Where are we gonna find some grass? I guess you can do this little tiny. Let's have a look if they eat this. Maybe. Do you like these? No? Nah. Oh, they do. There you are. Here you are. There you go. Nice.
I want to touch them. They look
You can.
soft. They look soft.
No, they don't. They don't. Can. This one's a little one. Hello. Wow. I did not expect this. Did you?
No.
I thought I'm gonna see like a couple of deers just hanging about. But no, there's literally hundreds here. There's more over there. Hey. So yeah, we're gonna head back to the lake and go around, see what else we find. Don't I just love doing this, huh? Especially when you have boots on and when you know that no water is gonna go in. You just wanna keep doing this all day.
Are you having fun?
Yeah, it's starting to feel like a kid again. So here we are, back at the lake. That's the little entrance we took to go check out the deer park. And now we're continuing the walk around the lake, see what else we find. Here we have a bench and another entrance leading to something. We're gonna go check that out. Wow. There's a tree literally just on the lake. I fell down. I want to check that out. See if you can walk on it. Try to get a better view of the lake. Oh yeah, it's looking good. Nice. Hey, you can walk on it. Looks pretty stable. There you are. Nice. Oh, it's not actually hard to walk on this. Wowee. Nice. Look at this. Woo! Hey, you sure you don't want to come? Yeah. Come on. So yeah, if you manage to come across like me, you can come here and enjoy this beautiful view from here. Feels like you're right in the middle of the lake. Beautiful. So yeah, before it gets dark, we're gonna take this path and have a look what's around there, and then we call it a day. You hear all kind of birds here. It's nice. You guys should definitely come and check out this place.
Hey.
So as you're walking around, guys, you're gonna see all this, and this path is basically leading to that thing, whatever that is. So yeah, go check out. Just going down the hill, but nothing much to explore down there. Oh wow, from here you get a full view of the lake. Beautiful. Sky's looking nice as well, isn't it?
Yeah. Lovely.
Yeah. Nature is just Beautiful. Wonder what this is though. Well, if you guys know what it is, let me know in the comment section, because I have no idea what that is. Time to have some tea now, huh? We actually brought some tea with us, so we're gonna have that now. We deserve it. Here we are. We have some cup of tea ready to go, and then we have sandwiches and some biscuits. Why not? So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you do, so you're not gonna miss out on any videos like this in the future. And make sure you're gonna press on that like button before you leave, guys. Thank you.